Welcome back guys to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can block someone from a Facebook page. So make sure that you are in Facebook page profile, and then what's you gonna have to do actually, you just have to click on your profile image on to the top right, and then you have to click on this gear setting options on the top here, this one, and then you have to click on page settings, and then you, if you scroll down, you will see this option called blocking. You will click on this one, and then you click on this one, add to blocked list, and then you can type the name of person that you want to block or their email. So let's suppose I want to block this one. Let's suppose I want to these are all my face my page audience. So if I just want to block this one, so I will just click on this block next to their profile. I'll click on block, and then I will click on block again, and they, I think that she's been blocked from my page. So if I just scroll back, see that this person has been added to my block list. So that's how you can block someone from a Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.